section your hairs, get a little comb, section your hairs as I'm doing here. Then this is a major problem with Pixie, and it's like after some time your curly hairs become this way. So I'll teach you guys in this tutorial how to revive it and get it back as new. So first thing first, you go in with your wax stick, just a little bit of that. After that, you go in with your hot comb, and please make sure you are combing and pressing tightly in order to make it flat. So the first thing here is you work on your closure or your frontal. If it's a frontal hair you have or you're working with, or if it's a closure, that's the first thing first. So this is just me working on the frontal, sectioning the hair section by section, going in with a wax stick and a hot comb. I'm giving it that hard push that it needs to get flat with the hot iron or with the hot comb. Yeah.
In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright.
Take another piece section of your hair, the frontal, and repeat the same process. Wax stick, then going with a hot comb, and make sure until it is very flat, until each piece is flat, is lying down flat on the dummy's head. So you see, now we are now at the very front of the frontal of one side of the hair. That's one side of the frontal. I see how flat it is now. I'm taking the last piece and repeating the same process, wax stick and a hot comb, making sure everything is lying down. Now the look is beginning to come out, guys. You can see how it is.
Our hearts are joined in harmony. A love so pure.
So this is how this is how it should look like. This is how one side of the frontal of your frontal should look like when you're done. It should be very flat and very nice, and also having that shiny appearance. So
Pure and free. You are my heart's desire, your soul's eternal fire. In your
So this is the other side of the wig, and I'll be repeating the same process. I give an online class and an offline class for this, in case you want to know, for those of you that want to go in depth on different types of Pixie to work with, the products to use, and every details you need to know about defining your curly hair, different types of curly hair to work with. Okay, so just the links are in the description. Find out what you need to know more of to get started. I'm waiting to see you all in the class. Okay, I'll be excited to work with you all.
free. You are my heart's desire, your soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel.
So you continue using your wax stick and your hot comb until you are in the front of the hair, in the front of your frontal, repeating the same process, making sure that your frontal is laying flat.
Eternal fire. In your arms I feel.
So this is the final look when it's laying flat, all the hairs are laying flat. So this is me going in, taking the baby hairs, all those small hairs, making sure they are all flat. And
Please, our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down.
see how all flat is laying. You see, so beautiful and neat.
Never retreat. The stars above shine.
So this is me creating the C-cut pattern. Just watch, guys, how I do it. So
Down on our love that's known. The stars above shine down.
So I'm just going to be creating that lift here. So I want the C-cut to be lifted, you know. So I'm giving it that lift.
On our love that's known.
this is how the lift looks when I was done. With my hair oil, I'm just gonna apply it all around the hair. So mix in your detangling conditioner spray. Make sure you have the right mix and use an octopus brush for this. This kind of brush grips the curl strands very well and it defines them. So it's very fine. You can see how I'm wetting it and making sure that it's being drenched enough with my detangling spray, and I'm going in and I'm brushing thoroughly. I'm brushing and I'm applying the spray pump on one hand, on my left, my brush on my right hand, and I'm going in, detangling, brushing, making sure everything is coming out the way it's meant to be. So guys, you can see now we're already the hair is already like half drenched. So we're going to keep going in. I'm going to keep going in, making sure that each strand gets the spray, the detangling spray, making sure everything is gotten, every hair is gotten. I'm going to do this process till it's drenched and everything is detangled. It's nice, it's clean, the hair is free. I can smoothly run my fingers through it. And please make sure you have the right amount of product, and to get this spray perfectly, because trust me, it's not every product that is good for human hair. This is the final look, guys. See how well defined, the curl is defining, well defined it is. How luxurious, how beautiful, how shiny the curls are defined. So I'm just going to set it to dry, and once it's dry, our Pixie, our hair is back to normal. Thanks for watching. Let me know if there's anything more you'd like to see.